Hello, welcome, I'm Mermaid Avalon and I'm going to do an unboxing video. If you follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, then maybe you know that I ordered in November a Finfolk Fabric too. Yeah, finally, she's at home, so I'm gonna be unboxing, so I'm really excited. And I think, yeah, I can start it. Okay, let's start it. Okay, I'm gonna be open. Oh my god, the colors. I can see it now, really. It's unbelievable. Oh, fuck. Wow. Oh, and finally. Oh, fuck. Oh my, yay! Oh, I'm sorry. The colors, look. Oh, look, blue, purple, green. Oh, and if you don't know what I ordered Aqua Fairy. That's my yeah, the colors. Oh, I'm really speechless, really. I'm gonna put the box on the table, ground, whatever. Oh. So. Okay. Put it on the table. Oh, wow. Oh, the colors. I love it. Wow. Wow. Oh, the paper. Okay. This just paper. How to take care of the tail. But now, just only the tail. Oh, the colors. Oh, wow. Paars, groen, blauw. Oh. What? Look. Oh. I say, oh, I mean, purple, green, and blue. I'm saying it in Dutch. So, I could show it. Look. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? Wow. I'm so happy with it. Oh, I'm really happy. Oh. So this is such beautiful. Oh wow, I love it. The colors. If you know that I have, if you've seen it, you see maybe also the silicone tail from me. It's also purple, blue, and green. Yeah, I love the colors. It's also in the abalone shell, so that is the reason that I choose this yeah, this tail. Fuck. Oh, wat mooi. Echt mooi. Oh, and Finfolk, wow. I'm really speechless, really. Sprakeloos ben ik. Oh, wow. Geweldig. Really great. I love it. Oh. I'm really excited for go to swim. Oh. Wow. So, yeah, thank you for watching. And, yeah. And you see soon from me when I'm swimming with this beautiful Aqua Fairy. So, so just follow me on Instagram, I mean, Instagram and Facebook. So I see you soon. Bye.